Drinking and driving and the impact it has on your personal injury case. This is one of my pet peeves, and it's something that we feel very passionately about here at Shane Smith Law. Okay, drinking and driving is bad. We all know this. There's countless campaigns. Society in general knows it. And when a drunk driver hits you or hits your vehicle, society has determined that there are actually punitive damages or extra damages on top of your regular case to go against a drunk driver to encourage them not to drink and drive again, above and beyond the criminal practice, okay, or the criminal fines and penalties. These are extra damages that we're allowed to go after for the damage to your car, but also for the damage to you, all in hopes of deterring this kind of behavior again. And the law allows us to go after these extra damages, and they're significant damages. One, to make an impact on somebody and to say, don't ever do this again, stop drinking and driving. So these are punitive damages on top. We always go after these in drinking and driving cases, okay? Why? Because we feel strongly we want to deter drinking and driving. So therefore we always go after these. We feel very strongly about these kind of cases that they should be handled aggressively towards the person who caused the accident, towards the drunk driver. We always want to get the criminal file. We want to know what's going on in the criminal case. We want to know the criminal background of the person who caused the accident. Do they have any prior DUIs before this? Do they have any post-accident DUIs again? Or sometimes other accidents or other patterns of reckless behavior that we can use to show that they're not learning their lesson, okay? The things we can do to look at their background, to attack them. In the civil case, if they say things like, hey, I've learned my lesson, I would never do this again, there's no need to punish me. Sometimes that's true, but a lot of times it's not. And we can use things like post-accident DUIs or even post-accident accidents or things of that sort to show that they're not learning their lesson, or to show that they had an accident before where they were drinking and driving. Now they're in another accident where they're drinking and driving again. You would be amazed at the number of times this kind of stuff comes up and you're like, really, how is this even possible? It just happens, is what I'll say. So if you've been hit by a drunk driver, please talk to a lawyer. Talk to them about punitive damages. Talk to them about damages, the extra damages that impact you, the extra damages associated with the person who is drinking and driving. If your car is parked on the side of the road and hit by a drunk driver, it's worth a phone call to us to see if we can help and whether punitive damages apply in your case. Remember, if you're in pain, call Shane, dial 9, or look us up online, 980-999-9999.
980-999-9999. 980-999-9999. Shane Smith Law.